What's up YouTube? Cleanup Claw Brothers here with a special unbagging. That's right, not an unboxing but an unbagging. And why is it special? Because it's from none other than r33d207, better known as Zach Reed on YouTube, another popular claw player. So, we won this on eBay. He autographed it for us on request and shipped it to us, so let's check it on out. Here we go. Alright, let's check it out. We'll just put that there. There we go. Cool. It's a Happi Bird plush. It's the blue one. Alright, there he is. Cool deal. Happi Bird plush. And there it is autographed on the tag. Cool, man. Definitely appreciate the plush, Zach. I'm a fan. Keep on clawing, everybody, and thanks for watching.